Do pigs snore when they're sleeping? Yes, they do. Pumpernickel in his afternoon siesta is out here snoring his head off. That answers the questions. Do pigs snore when they sleep?